All right. It is actually good afternoon. It is April 8th, 2021. It is Thursday. It is Vlog 68. Getting towards the end of the week. Tomorrow is Friday. Yesterday was crazy busy. Usually on a Wednesday when I have Ook Social. Yeah, this is like ukulele week every 2 weeks. That's kind of crazy. And this day is like nuts. Actually, it was just lesson day. Wednesday has been actually lesson day. But before I get into it, I need a tuning because it's tough being patient sometimes. All right, here we go. Do this tuning. I'm so off today. Here we go. I needed that. I want something to happen and it's not happening. So I'm just gonna But anyways, let's go over yesterday. Yesterday was really busy. Actually, I was what is it? Woke up at 9. Actually, I woke up earlier because Greg needed to talk to me about shipping a ook, and you saw the ook that just sold, and it is hopefully shipped out today. Maybe I'll check it out. I got ready and did my vlog, and then I did my song. Yesterday was Good Riddance by Green Day. Good song. Love that song. And I was working on an edit for Carrie, and I thought I had time to do it, but then I got a call, and I totally forgot about a lesson that I had yesterday, or didn't see it, or whatever. So I was already late when I found out, so I had to rush over to the store. I had to stop my editing and then rush over to the store. And then I did a lesson with David, and that was fun. That was actually cool because I keep sharing like the 4 principles of music, and it's working out pretty well. So that's going to be like, I think the new premise of how I teach music are those 4 principles. And I keep talking about it because I believe it's a good basis for people just to learn music, why they're learning music, stuff like that. So that was good. I like talking about it and, fleshing it out. Then right after that, I was already late again, so I had to rush over to another handpan appointment, which was with Hattie, and that was in Palos Verdes, and that was fun. Actually, Hattie and Maddie are so awesome. I know they're young, trying to learn handpan, but the stuff that she is retaining is pretty cool. She was like, yesterday, she still knows how to the notes. She can say the notes, and then I had her sing the notes, which are really cool. And then we came up with a game, so Maddie and Hattie can play, and we all played, and we called it hand. It's kind of like God, why can't I think of this basketball game right now? Horse, like horse in basketball. God, like I was thinking of it yesterday. I was like, what's that basketball game we used to always play? Horse. It's like horse, or if you're a skateboarder, we play skate and handpan, and now I just made up a game with them. It's called hand. So whenever I do like a little ditty, they have to copy it. So it's almost like Simon Says, and if they mess up, they get a letter. First one out. Like if you get hand, you're out. So that's our little game we're starting to play on the handpan. And it's pretty fun because it does a couple things. They make up little melodies and also teaches them how to hit the pan. and it also works with memory, and they love it. So we just play that, and it's hilarious because they always want me to play with them. I'm their like little playmate, but they're like, "Can we stretch afterwards?" Because Maddie wants to get in gymnastics, and it's funny because I used to teach gymnastics to kids, and I was like, "Oh yeah," and then she wanted me to film some stuff, and I was like, "All right, cool," and I was teaching her how to do back bend, like back bend over, like a kick over. So I was helping her with that, and then I showed her how to do a handstand. She was tripping out because I could do it. And then, yeah, it was pretty cool. But I know she's going to be taking gymnastics, so that's good for her. I think gymnastics is an awesome sport. Good for stretching, good for your body. So, yeah, that was fun. And then actually I ended up talking with Stephanie, and that was cool because we have been talking about doing videos for her, but she needs some marketing help with her company. So we're gonna I have Carrie on it researching her website and stuff like that, and then hopefully next week we'll get together and we'll talk about that. So that's fun because I haven't worked with a pharmacy company yet. I've done a marijuana company, but pharmacy is a little different. And this is going to be very interesting to help them grow. And I know we can, so it's kind of cool. And then after that, so I had to rush back after that. And then I had my Ook social. So Wednesday is like lesson day for me. It's so gnarly. And on the Ook socials, Amy, Nikki, and Hadley, we had Girl Nation, and it was just, it's fun. Our Ook social is small, but I love hanging out with everybody because, I see them growing. It's like super cool, so I love it. I love their journey, and I love to share music, so it's a good thing. So after that, then I finally got to chill a little bit, and then I ate dinner, and Kaylee and Carrie made. We used that bread, and I had leftover hamburgers, like little hamburgers, and they made a hamburger out of the croissant, and it was so good. The croissant bread is good with everything. It was awesome. That I showed you the other day, and that croissant bread. Ooh, croissant burger. Yeah, pretty awesome. And then I had to finish up the editing that I started in the morning and didn't finish till like 11:30 editing for Miguel's. I was super tired. I was just done. I was so done. I'm a really patient guy, but then like there is a point, and now I reached it yesterday where I was just like, I'm over it. I don't want to do anything else. So yeah. I think it's funny to see where your like end line is. You're like, I'm over. It's done. And that was all day rushing around and stuff like that. And I know people do this like every day. So, woo! It's running a business or being on your own, like doing freelance work. It's good because you can work your schedule, but there are days that you just got to do it, man, because you're the one. But yeah, that was my day yesterday, and it was a good Wednesday. I'm not complaining at all. It was just very tiring, and like, yeah. And I'm excited I got through it. It was kind of crazy, but I did get to I was grumpy at the end of the day. I was just like, I'm just ready to lay down. I'm over it. But actually, let's look at today's weather. Actually, I might try to call somebody because it is one of my good friends' birthday. One of my oldest friends, but let's see. Let's look at the weather. I've done that today. Boom. iPhone. Today's 64, high 72. Ooh, I might. You know what? I'm not feeling it today, so I might just like go out. I might actually go skate. Again, I got a new skateboard, so I want to skate it. That's what happens when you get a new skateboard. It's so awesome. So it's looking good. Looking good today here in Long Beach, sunny, and when it hits that 70, you're like, yeah. So it's probably going to be an awesome day today. So cool. I'm excited for today. I wasn't earlier. I woke up like in a bad mood because I don't know. There's stuff I want to get done, and it doesn't look like it's happening right now. So, patience is a virtue. But actually, I want to see because I just saw a birthday, and I want to see if she will answer. We will check it out. I haven't talked to this person in a while, but we shall see. One of my oldest friends from, we used to hang out in high school, and we've been through a lot. It's pretty funny. And let's see if she answers. I'm going for old phone number. See if this is still her number. If she answers, I'll say.
On the spot, Salem. Sorry, Mr.
Oh, wrong number. So she did change their number. Oh, Michelle, there it is. Yeah, wrong number. Here we go. Let's see if she answers. It's funny how you have like a bunch of phone numbers on your phone and you just never clean it out. I don't know if you're like that, but.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
I'll say it anyway.
714164264 is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Michelle, hey, this is Daniel. Just thought I'd give you a call on your birthday. Happy birthday, young lady. Give me a call when you get a chance. Hopefully you're having a good day. I will talk to you soon. Later. Happy birthday. It's Michelle Richter. She lives in Huntington Beach, but I haven't talked to her in a minute ever since like COVID and stuff. So, and today's her birthday. So, happy birthday, Michelle. Who else's birthday is it today? Da 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 da. Oh, there's two others. James Humphrey. Jim Humphrey. Oh my God. Yeah, wow. Cool guy. My Air Force buddy. And he was so funny. He's such a funny guy. James, happy birthday. And Eddie Mo. We used to work with him in business. We used to do, I forgot what we used to do this. Like the money machines, like payment machines. We used to help with payment services for businesses, and he was the guy. But Eddie, hopefully everything's going good. I see you on Facebook all the time. And happy birthday, brother. Let's see what else I got. I think that's all I have for today. Today, it's gonna be a nice day here in Long Beach, so I might go out again. I need to get out. It's kind of crazy. But let's see. What am I gonna do? I still have to do my song. I don't know which song I'm gonna do today. I'll figure out in a minute. And yeah, that's all I have for today. What did I learn yesterday? I learned what my line is. When that line crosses, that's when Daniel turns into crazy man. And it takes all day of work to do it. So like say 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock. I don't even know how long that is. 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock. 8 in the morning till 11. So that's like over 14 hours, I guess. I can go longer, but it was just a lot. Like when you have something you forgot about, that just threw me off. I was just like, oh, I wasn't ready for that, so it just threw me off. But that's all good. You live and you learn, and that's what this is all about. Learning about yourself. Being aware about yourself and knowing those things, because I think we don't. We don't even look at it. We like to talk about a lot of other people, but we never look at ourselves. So with that, that's all I have for me today. And like always, let's see, what do I got for today? I'll do an F. Every day, keep on strumming ukulele. Yeah.